including John Battista. I'm so sorry for Italy. Our amazing team composed by Marisa, Ted, Ron, Simon, and myself, Mirab, is happy to present you our Picture Culture project. 20 slides, 20 words, in Malagasy alphabetical order. Be like Brazil, not boobs or beaches. We are going to introduce and assess a community sport development initiative in Brazil.
Right, this is my turn, and CSD is one of the best campaigns to develop the community using the sports. In Brazil, it is not just famous for football, however other sports such as capoeira and basketball are also popular. So, community in Brazil can use these kinds of sports to foster their areas. So moving on now to, I will describe one famous CSD in Brazil named the Youth Sport Program in Brazil. It is usually held in Rio de Janeiro, and there is no specific invitation to register, so many people can use this special event. So the goal of this project is to teach the children about the sports and maximize their enthusiasm. And actually, the Rio de Janeiro has suffered from a lot of juvenile crimes such as drug offenses. So with this event, they want to minimize this negative situation. Furthermore, this event has a characteristic of fusion of the advantages. Many volunteers can get experience to teach the children in different culture, and the children can get cooperation and competition. In terms of the community, you can get a lot of local revenue and increased job during this period.
So a few words about CSD philosophy. It stands for Honourable, which is the United Nations' own CSD credo, which describes bridging divides, connecting individuals and communities, and teaching how to win and how to lose. Inclusion, social inclusion, is one of the principal goals for CSD programs, alongside health improvement, poverty reduction, and conflict resolution. And it's applicable to all genders, ethnic backgrounds, communities, and ages, from children in favelas to old age pensioners playing walking football. The basic CSD analytical framework is the partnership domain, which emphasizes interaction between the public, private, and voluntary sections. And to thrive and prosper, these CSD initiatives all three need to be joined up. The basic framework is extended to an analytical matrix where programs can be at a local, regional, national, or intranational level, and it's referred to as the Toblerone matrix, which, given all the calories in the Toblerone, seems a strange image to use for a sports development program.
Yeah, leisure. I like to highlight leisure because it's important to give children a possibility to have access to any kind of leisure activities. Further, those facilities must be local. Football, for example, is a huge part of everyday Brazilian life, and the games played on nearly every street corner. A safe and friendly environment needs to be created by our initiative. M for measurable, key and measurable aims. The sporting outcome needs to be measurable. The aims of every organization that have an impact should be similar, like the same. For example, to increase the number of 10 to 16-year-olds taking part in after-school sport. And for NGO, the volunteers that take part in the youth sports program will be working together with an NGO that was set up as a way to provide help for those margins of Brazilian society. Projects are run by people who understand the city's needs. O for opportunities, development opportunities. That means building networks, long-term benefits and relationships, and create a platform that connects various stakeholders that have opportunities to influence decisions and offer a place to share experience and work together. Finally, to generate income and employment.
And Paulinho. So in comparison with the UK, P is for positive change, which clearly CSD programs in the UK and in Brazil both seek to enact positive change. Paulinho's had a lot of positive change since he left Spurs. He's playing at Wembley on Tuesday night. range is for the range of activities in the CST program that we're looking at in Brazil is very broad. Generally speaking, in the UK, we will focus on one community, one sport, one initiative, whereas this one seems to cover a lot of different ones at the same time. I don't know why I've got Ronaldo, but it's good. And S is for selfish, because this program actually invites volunteers from outside Brazil to come in and work in these marginalised communities. And the focus of the program actually seems to be on the volunteers, so on their personal development, on their sort of fulfillment, which is not like Socrates, who campaigned against the military government in Brazil, so he wasn't selfish. And travel, clearly in this project, because people are travelling into Brazil, there's a huge element of travel there, whereas in the community project, CST project in the UK, we focus on the community, so you wouldn't have as much travel. Thiago Silva is very well travelled, he's played in 5 different countries.
Verdict, so let's summarize. The Global Nomadic Sports Youth Program in Brazil has been created in order to tackle social issues and juvenile crime in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. However, it seems like the main beneficiaries of the project are the volunteers rather than the marginalized community in Brazil. Zaizan, an expression from Madagascar meaning, so be it, amen. So, on behalf of the team, I would like to thank you for your attention, and we really hope you enjoyed it.